park, Daddy.
No problem. Let's go to the Sphinx.
Look out, Daddy.
Ah! We gotta save your baby brother. Ah! Oh! No, I lost my superpower. Isabella, you can save your little brother.
Okay, wait. What?
Spread out your... I can prove it. Spread out your arms and jump.
I'm flying. I'm flying.
You have to save your baby brother.
How?
Epic battle.
Okay, give me my baby brother back.
Let me think about it. No.
All right, you've had enough.
Ow, that hurt.
You're right, Daddy. Punches do tickle.